Hello, hello, hello. I know, it's a lot. Take it in. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ree. This is how God sees me. So today I'm filming a swatch video for the lip bar. I have some lippies from the lip bar that I have just fell in love with, and I wanted to share it with you guys, that you guys see how it is on my lips so you guys can see the action for yourselves. So the lip bar is really a great company in my opinion. They're all about cruelty-free, vegan beauty, and that's amazing because who's trying to hurt the animals? But on top of it, vegan, like, come on, I love it. But I really wanted to show these lip products to you guys because on top of them being pigmented by an angel, a touch of an angel is who pigmented them. On top of all that, they are moisturizing and nourishing and so good for the lips and skin and overall like health of your skin. So I would have shared with you guys previously about the lip bar. I would have talked about them in my Get Ready With Me and then the Black Beauty Haul Part 2. So I've been collecting my little bit of collections and I wanted to share with you guys. I really hope you enjoy this. If you do, be sure to give it a thumbs up. That really lets the Instagram, so if you do, be sure to give it a thumbs up. That lets YouTube know where the party is, because the party's over here. And definitely leave a comment down below on what your favorite color is, just so we're on the same page. Yes. All right, y'all, let's get into the swatches. Oh, pause. Actually, on top of the lip bar being up there, high quality, like pop, like this, everything else, this lip bar, like high quality, top quality, good for you makeup. So the message is about being enough and empowering us to be our best selves and to just bring out the inner beauty that's within. So I just absolutely love companies that are all about embracing your beauty and stuff like that. So I'm just so excited to be partnering with the lip bar. So if you're interested in getting any of these lippies, I do have a code for you. I know you love when YouTubers say that. I have a code. It is Life of Ree HC. I'll pop it somewhere on the screen. It's Life of Ree HC, and that gives you some money off your next purchase at the lip bar. I got you. It's handled. And yeah, we're just gonna get into these swatches. Let's go.